All right, now in this video, what I'm going to go over is a common question that I get from a lot of people when they first sign up for high level. How do I get support? How do I learn the platform? There's so much in there, I don't even know where to get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over in this video the resources, how you can get started, what to do when you're just starting your high level journey so that you actually get the most out of the system. But when you're in your high level account here, now this is a sub account. There's also the agency view. Either way, as the agency owner, as an agency admin, there is this blue button up here called Need Help. This is really the main place to go for any support that you need with high level, whether it be learning something, getting a support ticket, or even hopping on a call with them. But let me show you this. The first thing, if you click over here, Need Help. This little button here has a lot of information in it. The first thing you're going to see, you have 3 buttons here. Now, if you don't see these 3 buttons here, you probably will just see the Start Zoom. And the reason for that is because you're still on the free trial. So if you're still on the free trial, they unfortunately just have the Zoom because they want you to get on. They want to help onboard you. Once your free trial is done, or if you go ahead and pay now, then you'll be able to open up the rest of the Start Chat and the Raise Ticket button. So they have Start a Zoom, Start Chat, and Raise a Ticket. They provide several avenues of how you can get support. One, you can hop on a Zoom call with their team. I'm pretty sure they have it open 24/7. Hop on a Zoom call with somebody on their team, and they will walk you through and help you out with your issue or whatever you're trying to do in high level. Next one is there's Start Chat. So you can click this, it'll open up a little chat widget here, and then you can start a chat, talk to somebody on their support team. Or instead of doing the live chat, you can just go to Raise a Ticket, put your information in, send it off, and then it will submit a support ticket, and then they will email you back, and then you can work on emailing. So it depends on if you need support like right then, right there. The live chat usually can help, but if it's just something that I see an issue, is not really affecting me, I would say just go raise a ticket and then get the email response later on. Now, the next thing is there's the help center. That's for help, but let's first talk about when you're first getting into high level, how do you get started? Where do you even go? So one, they have this welcome course here, and that's going to bring up this over here. Now in here, there's the lead gen playbook. This shows you a couple different ways of what you can do with high level and how you can make money with it and how you can support your clients and customers. So they give you a bunch of different ways in here. You go through that. Now, the other thing is when you go to this area, you may not have all of these. It depends on which little workshops you've signed up for or different things you signed up for. So you may not have all of these, but in general, you're going to get this main one here. But the other thing that you can do is I've actually created my own high level course. And so if you go to, I'll give you the link down in the description. But if you go to clicklaunch.ai/learn high level, that's the redirect, learn-high level. Then it's going to take you to this page and you can sign up. And then I also have my community as well, which is over here. So this community, you'll get into it. I have a course in here. I'm going to have more courses as well. Now, in my course here, what this has getting started, pretty much everything you need to get started with high level. Watch this first, and then setting up your settings, explaining everything, choosing niche, and then this goes through database reactivation, which is a great way to help clients initially to reactivate old leads that they already have in their system. So you can use this, and then I have another database reactivation here. I have just a bunch of other videos in here. So there's a total of 31. I'm going to be adding more over time, redoing this one as well. But for now, this is what I have in there, which is still a great course. You'll learn a lot about high level in there. So go ahead and get in my community, get in my course, and start going through that. The next thing is back on this question mark here. Shows you the welcome course. Now, there's also the help center. This, I say I know high level like the back of my hand, but I still reference the high level help docs a lot as well. So there's our help center that will bring you to this page here. Now, this is their help docs, and there is a load of information. You can find out just about any question you'll have in high level. If we scroll here, you can see all the help articles, documents. There's videos in here. There's checklists. There's pretty much everything you need to learn any feature that high level has. As you see, I'm still scrolling, and a lot of these too, if we get down here, this isn't even showing all of them. So if you click on view all 28, there's even a lot more. Scrolling through here, you're going to find pretty much anything you need. Now, the search is really great as well. So just by typing in, say, A2P, and you're going to see all the different information on A2P or whatever you're searching. Search is very good. So I use the knowledge base a lot. I recommend you use the knowledge base as well. Check here first. If you can't get your answer, then next thing I recommend doing is going to the Facebook group. So if we go into HighLevel Facebook group, click on that button there. It's going to bring you right to here. If you're not in it, one, get into this Facebook group because it is a very good group. There's currently 85,000 members in here, and it's a very active group. So if we look at this, we scroll down here, posted 22 minutes ago, already 16 comments. Posted 4 hours ago, 8 comments. 30 minutes ago, 9 comments. So if you just scroll through here, it's very active. People are constantly in there, very helpful. People helping people out all the time. You can see how many comments are in here. Posts, comments, everything. Definitely recommend using the HighLevel Facebook page now, or Facebook group, I should say. When you're going through and you have an issue, first thing I recommend doing is always going to the HighLevel knowledge base, their support docs. Try to find it there. If you can't find the answer to your question there, then I say go to the Facebook group. And first off, before just posting in here, because I guarantee your question probably has already been asked in here multiple times. So I recommend going to the search and then search whatever your question is in here, try to find the answer there. If you can't find the answer to there, no one's posted about it, or it's some new issue that's come up, then go ahead and post in here, and then I'm guaranteed somebody will reply to you and will help you out. Next thing is, so the help center, the Facebook group, really awesome. Going through welcome course, use my course. And then down here, there is the HighLevel events. And this is the calendar that you can use to see all the events that HighLevel is currently running. They have HighLevel group demo days, so you get on there and they'll demo the software. And this is open for anybody that wants to hop in. They have affiliate strategy sessions. So if you want to get into the affiliate game and start promoting HighLevel, use that. Here, there was a $1 million copywriting crash course. So it was a 4-day live webinar run by Jim Edwards. And then you'll just see different events in here that you can hop in. So with all that, you have Zoom, you have live chat, you have sending a support ticket, you have the help doc, you have a Facebook group, and they even have a phone call. So you can go and call HighLevel and talk to someone on their support team. So if you would rather talk to someone on the phone, on Zoom, a live chat, send an email, do the research yourself, you have pretty much all options that you would need to get any type of support with HighLevel. So that was just a quick video here to showing you how to really navigate the resources, getting support with HighLevel, how to learn it. But go ahead and hop in my course, my community, and then especially if you sign up for HighLevel using my affiliate link, which I'll hold down in the description, you'll get help with my bonuses. And I also naturally going to help my affiliates a lot more than other people that reach out. If you join me as an affiliate, then I will absolutely help you out and get you started on your HighLevel journey and help you out with questions that you have. But this group here, I'm going to be growing it a lot more. So get in here and we're gonna have a lot of fun in here. But those are my ways, my methods of getting help with HighLevel to get you started on your journey and then any issues that come up. So with that being said, start learning HighLevel. If you have any questions, reach out to me, post in my YouTube video here, my channel. And if you like this video, go and give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit subscribe. That being said, I will see you on my next video.